Hey, it's Benjamin at Gasta Motorcycle Works. This box, while it looks like a very ordinary box, is much more than just that. It's a box that is containing the contents or our first drop shipment, which is a really big deal. We've set up an e-commerce site called Shop GMW. I hope you'll go and take a look there and see if you can find some products that work for you. It's been a long time coming. I've been working on that for about 6 months now, and this is a test delivery to make sure that things go right and operate smoothly, so that when someone makes an order, their product arrives in a timely manner, containing what it is they order. So I hope that you will go and find something at our site. Again, that's shopgmw.com. Contents of this box are just some grommets for windscreen and some fairing parts, which is kind of cool, and a couple batteries. So we're gonna tip them out. That was a neat sound. This is cool. This is very big. Please support what we do. We support what you do, and we try to help you out best we can, and we'll set you up. All right. Take care. Thank you.